Hey there, Scorpio. This is my channel, Dream Tarot. Welcome to my channel, and this is monthly reading regarding work and finance related matters in your for your sign. So I have shuffled my card already. I will cut them in three piles, and then I will pull three cards for your reading. And if I find to clarify any of card from them, so I will clarify with these cards also. So you got Five of Wands, the Judgment, and Page of Pentacle, and underneath the deck you have Knight of Pentacles. So recently got news of job, and maybe you got the approval of some kind of job recently. You got justice, some kind of justice in your work environment, or maybe justice was not for you, maybe, so you walked away, and you have new job offer now in your current environment for you right now. So some kind of new job offers are overall theme for you, Scorpio. So I can see there's some kind of competition going on around you in your environment. Maybe in your workplace there are a lot of competition among the colleagues, and you are one of them who is the strongest competitor for them, and or maybe there is a competition for some kind of job promotion or some kind of post. People are working hard to get this post or this promotion. So something something resurrection, some resurrection in your job related matters is happening. Maybe this promotion was pending, or maybe it is like that your company announced the promotion before, and they postponed this promotion for some time. For now they are doing this again. They announced that they are promoting some people again in the company. So this matter raised again, and a lot of people and competitor are also come up to gain that position in your company, and you are waiting for the news. You are also waiting for the news that you will get this promotion, and you are also a most you are also a most suitable candidate for this promotion and this post. So some kind of job promotion regarding matters are going on in your work sector, workplace. So I will clarify both three of cards. So all three cards. First I will clarify this Five of Wands. What is Five of Wands for the Scorpio? Please clarify what is the Five of Wands for the Scorpio sign. Please clarify what is the Five of Swords, Five of Wands for the Scorpio sign. Star card. Yes, lot of people hoping for this promotion. Whatever this news of promotion is spreading around your company, so people are hoping that they will get this, or they are wishing to get this job. Oh, so this post or whatever this is, this promotion or this post, this promotion is announced. Whatever this post, uh, it contain a lot of responsibilities, uh, and for this post, uh, your company needed someone who is very mature and experienced person, regarding this promotion or this post. Maybe it's a higher level post, so people are fighting for this. They think they are very much eligible for this promotion and post, whatever it is, this position. So clarify this judgment card. What is this judgment card for the sign of Scorpio in their work life? What is this judgment card for the sign of Scorpio in their work life? What is this judgment card for the sign of Scorpio in their work life? So we have Fool. Yes, something came up again uh, with new thing within it, and some new excitement regarding this. People are very much excited about it. And Queen of Swords. So yeah, something new happened. People are very much excited, and you are also very much excited, and you are preparing yourself for interview, um, for this. I will take more card for this. Yeah, Ten of Pentacle. So this post, whatever it is, it has a handsome salary package also, and your company is offering handsome salary package, and they are conducting interview about this post and position, and they are taking a risk in this kind of position. So yeah, they are trying to at judgment card is here, so they are trying to uh, hire some mature and experienced person for this, who know all about what is needed, what responsibilities and what work is needed to handle the responsibilities of this post. So they are that's why they are offering some handsome salary package for them, for and conducting interview in a senior members of the company. So you are also in a senior member in a company, so you are also feeling that you are also very much, you are think that as a fool, that you are exciting about it, because you are thinking that you are also a very much suitable candidate for this post. Or maybe you are working from home this time, as all are doing from home, so some promotion are coming towards you. So let's see what is the page of Pentacle. What is this news about? What is this page of Pentacle? What is this news about? What is this page of Pentacle? Wheel of Fortune. Yes, something going to change after this news come up, and some offer also coming towards you also. Maybe this company is offering this post to you, as they are you got the news and you are very much excited about this post, and they are conducting interview with you and offering you some handsome salary. So yeah, something changing in your work life and in your workplace related matters. So you are very much happy and excited, emotionally satisfied. Company is offering you some um, uh, an offer which will make you very much abundant, practically and emotionally satisfied this time. So yeah, as Wheel of Fortune come, whatever work you are doing for this company, it will drastically change, and it will completely change, and you will not be the you longer what you were before in the company. And now things will change. Things will not be the same for you. You will get this job, and as your hope, you will be company see you as a suitable candidate for this job, who can take responsibilities for all. So your reading is very much good and excited. So you got very much beautiful reading for this, for your workplace and money and finances matter. So if resonates you, please let me know in a let me inform in the comments below. And if you like my video, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Hope you find it resonates with you. Thanks for watching.